Hello, my friend. Today we are talking about the insane amount of emails that so many people are getting into their inbox every day. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the tidal wave, the tsunami of email coming into your inbox, then today's video is for you. Between work and family and just life in general, sometimes it can be really hard to juggle all of the emails that are coming into your inbox. But here's the thing, just like with your physical spaces, less is more when it comes to the emails coming in to your inbox. And today, I'm going to show you how practicing constraint and being ruthless with what we allow into our inboxes is going to serve you so well in organizing and maintaining your inbox to have a purposeful and peaceful inbox, and therefore a more calm life and more flow in your life, which ultimately so many of us are, hoping and trying to achieve, especially in our digital lives. Also, just a quick note that this is the second video in a 4-part series on how to organize your inbox for good, using 4 essential elements. I will link the other videos in the description below. So I want you to imagine your inbox like your home. With your house, you're selective with what you bring in, right? Or the idea is to be selective about what we're bringing into our physical environment. So I want you to think about your inbox, your digital space, being just like your living room. Ideally, you're not cluttering up your living room with just random bits and pieces and trinkets. You're being selective about what you're letting in. And I want you to apply that same concept to your inbox, being very selective with the emails that you're allowing in. So what do we do about this? Well, the word I want you to think of when, thinking about what's coming into your inbox is ruthless. I want you to allow only the most essential emails necessary into your inbox. And the reason for this is we only have so much time and energetic space to navigate our inboxes. So a couple of the common areas that can get quickly out of control are newsletters, coupons, and work chains. I think for newsletters, kind of the train of thought that I like to use is choose 5, maybe 10, whatever seems right for you, of the people that you really want to follow, that you really want to read about for 2025, for the next year, or whatever year you're watching this in. Because remember, the ultimate goal is having that purposeful inbox, right? Where every email is serving a purpose. So in this case, the newsletters, it's purposeful because you're going to be reading the content, right? And if it's not serving a purpose, if you're not going to read it or open it up, then it's just clutter. And the same can be said for work chains or listservs that you don't actually need to be actively involved in. So let's just hop over into my inbox really quick to show you how we can be ruthless. And this is something I practice every day. I promise you, I unsubscribe from like 2 to 3 emails a week at least, if not more. They're just, somehow I end up on different, when I go to buy something off the internet and I end up on different, listservs or whatever it may be, or even newsletters. If I go onto somebody's, website, my clients are always asking like, how am I getting these emails? I don't even know who these people are or this product. I don't know either. Sometimes it's just a mystery of the digital universe. But the important thing is you have the control that you get to allow or not allow things into your inbox, okay? So unsubscribe, my bestie, right here. Gmail recently underwent a change in the last year that makes it super easy to just hit unsubscribe, right? That is your best friend. Be ruthless. Show constraint for what you're allowing into your inbox. Because when you can control the amount of volume that's coming in, you're going to have the result of less clutter. And when you have less clutter and less volume, you can implement a system that is going to be so much easier to maintain, which is another essential element to organizing your inbox for good. In fact, I am going to encourage you to do a little challenge, as it were. For the next 7 days, I want you to take just 5 minutes a day. Let's make it 2 minutes a day and unsubscribe from as many emails as you possibly can. Just go crazy with it for 7 days. You will be amazed what amount of emails you can unsubscribe from just within a 7-day time frame, spending 2 minutes a day. I know that hitting the unsubscribe button can seem kind of simple and maybe a little mundane, but the proof is in the pudding. Is that the right saying? I think so. The proof is in the pudding. Simple is best, right? I think sometimes it can get so complex. All these automations and third-party apps to, hook up to Gmail and other email platforms. But I think it could be really simple. Unsubscribe. And I do think you will see a change in not just the amount of volume, of course, but the amount of clutter that's in there. And remember, being ruthless is key here, showing constraint in what you're letting in. Just like in your physical spaces, less is more. And ultimately, that is going to lead to more ease, more flow in your day-to-day life. And if you can't completely unsubscribe from everything coming into your inbox, and there are things you need, even though you don't want to see them, do not fret, my friend. There is still hope. In my next video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up an email system so that nothing slips through the cracks, but you still are feeling organized and can maintain your inbox. So if you're ready to take the next step and set up an email system, I will see you in the next